Hey Cancer, Shara here. Today I'm going to be doing your April 1st to the 15th love read. So hope you guys are doing good. I am. I've had a super awesome day. I got a lot of stuff done and I am just loving my whole life right now. You know, not everything's perfect, but, you know, sometimes you gotta just do the damn thing and like it because you gotta do it anyway, right? So let's see what's going on for Cancer. First part of April. What is going on with Cancer in love? Okay, so it looks like with the Six of Wands and the Tower reversed, it looks like you guys are winning at life, and you have conquered or are trying to conquer some kind of obstacle. The cycle's not complete yet. Also, you might be traveling as well. And it might be for like business or to avoid something. Let me clarify this Tower reverse. So yeah, it might be for work, or somebody is not agreeing with you. Somebody is like throwing a wrench in the engine, but I feel like you're going to be successful with the situation because you know that you're better than that. For some of you, there might be like a third party situation and you're like, I'm better than that. I don't have to do that. I don't have to deal with this BS. And for some of you, you guys might be at a job that you don't necessarily agree with the way that things are going. And you're like, I'm gonna do my own thing, you know, fuck all of y'all. So, but anyway, in a love sense, well, with the overall energy as the Seven of Cups, and this is like, you know, lack of working together, you might not be getting sex. Okay, this is so like polar opposite. You could either be getting a whole lot of it or not at all. It's absolutely on one end or the other. Can you clarify this Six of Wands? Okay. The Magician. You have everything that you need. And somebody might be in the public eye, and it's like, or you might be in the public eye, or somebody's watching you, and they're like really working their magic. So with the overall energy, this might have something to do with somebody that you care for dearly. It also might have something to do with children. So I'm not really seeing this too much as a love read. And if it is, it's something that's unknown, or either this person is hard to get to or you're hard to get to for this person. So, all right. How does Cancer feel about their person? Okay. Okay, so we have the Queen of Wands reversed, the Queen of Wands reversed, the King of Wands upright, and the Five of Cups. So it's kind of like hot and cold. It's kind of like wishing or something that's unknown. And it's like you feel like this is something that I feel like you really want like a companionship, because he's upright and she's reversed. You know, they're not equals. So it's like, I can't find somebody who is an equal to me. So it's like, or mutual, like the feelings or the desires or the what you want to accomplish together. It's hard to find somebody who is up to your standards. So that could be it with the, because you take great pride in yourself and you know that, you know, you're the head honcho, you're the boss, and you're not willing to sacrifice or work with people who aren't, you know, in your alignment, that are not aligned with you. So you would rather avoid that tower, not let it crumble, you know, or like, what is it? Like dodge a bullet. Yeah. All right. So how does Cancer's person feel about them? Okay. So they feel like, well, this is Cancerian energy. They feel like you are self-fulfilled and they feel like you have everything that you need, that you are very comfortable, you're fabulous. And the overall energy is like you do than a lot of people. Also, with these two cards together, I could see that as, and this is not going to resonate for everyone, but maybe like gender fluid or questioning your sexuality. That is not going to be for everybody, obviously, but this does come up for that sometimes. But overall, they see you as like, you know, a really comfortable, like having everything. That Empress energy. I love her. She's like, and it doesn't have to be feminine. While this is a feminine energy, they could see you as like loving, nurturing, caring, because that is the feminine energy, the divine feminine. And you could be a masculine or anything else. So, all right. What is going to be the most likely outcome in this situation? Oh, you guys are going to be talking and, you know, caring. This is, you know, maybe flirting and, you know, having fun. The overall energy is the Six of Cups. So with the Cups energy here, we have a lot of emotion and, you know, very caring. So what is your advice to Cancer regarding this situation? Speak your truth. Be honest. You know, get clarity. And this is like being straight up, because reversed, he's scared, you know, The lion is a coward, okay? And Cancers are not a coward at all. So anyway, I'm going to clarify this ace. Clarify the Ace of Swords. Yeah, seeing something for what it is. Like, you know, making that sacrifice. Sacrificing that ego. So, oh, Cancers don't have ego, do they? Absolutely not. No. Okay, so I think that you need to be straightforward. And just be honest. Clarity. All right, so let's see what. All right, let's get you guys some focus cards. What do you guys need to focus on? What does Cancer need to focus on? What does Cancer need to focus on? What does Cancer need to focus on? Peacefulness and cooperation. So, peacefulness. So it says, you recognize that balance, kindness, and love bring calmness to your soul. So, you know, and the overall energy for this is, it was the Six of Cups. So, you know, think about children. They are so loving and unconditional. And you know what? Here's another thing. The Empress also represents unconditional love and growth. So if you want to find peacefulness in your life, you're going to have to cooperate, okay? And have that unconditional love and be childlike. You know, be free. Enjoy your life. Live in the present moment. So I like that. All right. What does Cancer's person want to tell them? So it looks like you guys got it going on. You know your self-worth. You're not going to settle for, you know, half-ass. You're not going to settle for anything that is not filling your cup. And that's how it's supposed to be. You know, you shouldn't let anybody come in and steal your joy, your peace. Steal your money. Use you. Lie to you. So anyway, what does Cancer's person want to tell them? I hide behind material things. So maybe the person that you deal with hides themselves. And I have found that, you know, due to personal readings and using this in general, it doesn't necessarily mean that I hide behind material things. It can mean that they are hiding their emotions. They are hiding certain aspects of themselves that they could be ashamed of. So, or they could be just a material bitch. Because some people are. So what else does Cancer's person want to tell Cancer? What else does Cancer's person want to tell them? Okay. I love you unconditionally, and I couldn't let you get close to me. So this person really cares about you, but for whatever reason, they can't let you get close to them. And honestly, this could be you, Cancer. you could be looking for unconditional love and you're not letting people get close to you, because with, oh God, it is so hard to like grab things when you have acrylics. Anyway, with the Six of Wands here, this is like, you know that, you know your worth. Empress, knowing worth. So this is a mismatch. So you haven't found what you're looking for. And it's like you want someone, but you're not willing to sacrifice your self-worth in order to just have somebody. It's like you're not going to settle for less just to have something. So, I mean, that's good energy, and that's how it should be, you know? I likes it. Knowing your worth. Okay, so let's get some rebel advice for our beautiful Cancerians. Rebel advice for the Cancer. Rebel advice. This deck is being kind of rebellious. How ironic. It's not trying to give me anything. All right, rebel advice. Okay. Stop fucking whining. So it says, no one wants to listen to that shit. Complaining makes you weak. You have the strength to change your world, so do it. And I honestly think that this could be like other people, because in your energy, it looks like you know what you're made of. And I mean, you could be whining, but I think you want other people to just like shut the fuck up, because it's killing your vibe. And you don't want to listen to it. So that is what I'm feeling. And I could be wrong, but I'm usually not. All right, so let's get some more rebel advice for Cancer. More rebel advice for Cancer. They do not want to come out today, guys. Okay. Money. Make it rain. So, you think someone is lying. That's the overall energy. They are. So, you are tired of the liars and the cheaters and the thieves and the, you want to focus on your money. You want your person to focus on money. You know what? I also see this as, don't complain. Take action. Like, genuinely take action. There's something here that is going to bring you success if you go for it. I don't know what that is. But I know that if you my dad always said, study long, study wrong. So you need to go after what it is that you're wanting to go after. If it is a person, write it down, manifest it, the universe can and will conspire to your desire. So just make sure that you stay positive and think it, feel it, want it, okay? But good things are on the way, and you are very deserving. So anyway, Cancer, that is all that I have for you today. I love you bunches. I will see you again in the next video. Make sure that if you want a personal, check the description. Make sure that you like the video, because why not? And yeah, anyway, me love you long time. Bye.